So today's a little different. We got these beauties, and we're in a different location. We got that going on. Chorizo, what you know about chorizo? Chorizo, corn, tortillas. I still got to do my 10 minutes worth of painting, but look at the overcast. I don't know if I'm okay to paint. I got to Google that real quick, see if it's any good. We're chilling here, except with them. Some beautiful ladies over there, a couple guys, a birthday guy over there. And these two call me their favorite son-in-law because I'm their only son-in-law, thanks to her and her. All right, so back at the pad, let's see what's going on. All right, let's see. All right, so we still, let me see. This looks pretty covered. I don't know how it comes out on the, this definitely needs another, is that a shadow or maybe, I don't know. I see a little darkness on here, but when I look at it here, everything looks good. This still, the downspout still needs, doesn't look like this side, but definitely gonna need another coat. Everything else overall dried up really nice. Looks real cool. Looking good. Love it. This is definitely gonna need another coat. So does this. But the actual wall, I think that's enough. Maybe not, I don't know. We gotta see. No, it looks good. Probably still gonna do another coat though. All right, so this is what the sky looks like. A lot of humidity. We did have rain. Just to show you, there's the results of the rain. We got some water there. So I was advised by a paint professional that I shouldn't paint when there's this much humidity in the atmosphere, or else it just won't grab as good as it could. So I'm not gonna paint today. On days that I'm not gonna paint, I do have other stuff that I need to do. Definitely there is a list of to-dos that I could do, which I'm gonna do in these videos when something comes up. It gets late, it gets dark, I'm short on time. There's other tasks I can do, as simple as, you know, pick up dog poop or something. I could have done that today. Weeds, there's stuff inside I need to wipe down, there's stuff inside I need to touch up. I could do that today, but today, or maybe I still will.
1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday. Yay. Singing happy birthday to my kids will never not be a slightly emotional moment. Slightly on the outside, because inside, I'm all crying and bawling. Singing happy birthday to my kids is just, oh my gosh, in here. Oh. So it's bugging me a little bit that this is a series about me doing stuff out here, and we can't paint today because it's all humid and rainy and stuff. So I came out here, I was looking around, what else can I do besides telling my story, besides having cake, besides having a little birthday barbecue? I gotta do something that has something relatable with doing something. It's not the 10-minute painting today, but I can do something. So I figured what I do is way back there, and I kept it far away because I think it'd be kind of inappropriate, maybe gross to show you, but there's a little dog thingy over there that needs to get picked up. So that's gonna be today's chore task. Thing to do is clean up some dog dookie. I guess. Shout out to everybody who has a dog and is a dog lover. Cleaning up behind them is just kind of like part of it. You don't love to do it, but you don't hate to do it, but you don't really like enjoy doing it, but it got to be done, and it's just part of the love. If you know, you know. See you tomorrow.